Traders, Anthony here. I'm just marking up this Aussie yen chart on the daily time frame. What we have is prices moved up into this level and it's hitting liquidity that's resting above this bearish expansion to the downside. Okay, so we've got buy stops sitting up in here that this is traded into right here, taken out this liquidity. So my question is, do we see this push off bullish or does it pull back? Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm looking for an opportunity to get involved with this, but just noting that this could trade in either direction at this point, right? So let's just go down to a 4 hour, we'll work our way down the time frames and have a look at this and find an opportunity to get involved. There's two key levels that we need to be mindful of. So I'm just going to pull the candle body high and low. So we've got this 4 hour accumulation value area back in here. And this candle here as well. Okay, so these are two levels where the market has traded sideways. You know, if you go down the time frame, you'll see this red candle will spread out, and you know, there was accumulation going on in here prior to this move. Same thing down in here, right? Now, what I like about this is actually the fact that this has, if we pull a swing, price swing, let's just go to this high and then back down to this low. I mean, that could be a thing, right? Because they've already it's already retraced back down into these levels here. If this is a trend, okay, we're looking at the market hunting liquidity, and it's kind of happening under here with a vengeance. You can see, look at the volatility. But the thing with this is, well, actually, let's just go back out to the 4H. Because I spotted something here that is important. Right, see this green candle, this thin green candle here. Okay, I'm going to pick the high on the candle on the left and the low candle on the right. Mark that up as a point of interest. This is a bullish imbalance that the price could look to trade back into to rebalance. That's a possibility. At some stage, you know, it will hunt this level. It will target this level. All right, it's pushed off with a vengeance. We've got this displacement, and yeah, be mindful that could be a thing. So, you know, you want to trade carefully and just manage your risk well, I guess is what I'm wanting to say. So, looking at this chart, this could push off north here, and you know, we could get involved with this at the moment, but at the same time it could pull back down into this level here. So understand that. If we go down to the 30-minute chart, get a little bit closer to this price action that we're seeing at the moment. Right, I'm not ready to get involved with this yet. Okay, so we've got this value area under here that we've marked up on the 4H, along with this imbalance and then this balance area down below. So there's a couple of scenarios with this. It's currently range bound, but look, here's what's going on. Let's just mark up the chart. This range here starts to form, and then the algos kick in and they hit stops above and below, right? So we've had stops hit here, stops taken out here, again here, up in here. We're starting to see some volatility kick in now. There's a couple of things that could happen here. And of course, this range, let's just mark that up, just grab a bit of an average. I'll get involved if we see the market push up, break, or push through this, and then break structure. Okay, the first one would be a shift in the trend, and the second one would be a break of market structure. So we see it change of character, perhaps we could call that there, and then a break of structure would be the next. I'd be looking to get involved. I mean, that would be a higher risk, and this would be probably less risky. But once it breaks this trend and we start to see it trading higher highs, higher lows, that's an opportunity. But I understand that it could go either way. So that would be one opportunity, possibly to get long here. And the other potential outcome could be that this breaks below. And it looks to hit this balance area down in here. I mean, this imbalance. And then we get the opportunity. So look for the range. I mean, if it does trade back down, look for the range. And then the same idea that I've marked up here. Look for the break of structure. And then get involved long. Okay, so at the moment it's just a matter of waiting for price to shape up and give us the opportunity. So it'll either be above or below, and you know, you just wait for it to invite us in. Okay, if you're in front of the chart. The other thing is you could speculate with a with a limit buy down in here. Okay, stop under this imbalance perhaps, something like that, and targeting these highs. A bit of mess on the chart, but look, that's my take on the Aussie yen, guys, and I would love to hear your thoughts on this. So definitely leave a comment below. That would be awesome. And with that, I leave you with this. Hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading, and see you in the next one.